Hey guys, are you wondering how to speed up your weight loss journey? I'm going to go through a few tips which can help you with the same. Eat a high protein breakfast. Eating a high protein breakfast is going to help keep you full throughout the day, and it's going to help prevent any cravings you might have. Follow the 80-20 rule. The 80-20 rule means that you're going to eat until you're 80% full, and then you're going to have some water. This is done just so that you don't overeat. Choose whole foods over processed foods. Whole foods are going to help keep you full a lot longer right now. You can include stuff like legumes, pulses, grains, vegetables, basically anything which is not processed and not in a packet will help you lose weight faster. Eat slowly. The next point is very simple right now, but can help quite a bit. Chew your food a lot longer, you're a lot likely to eat a lot less, and you'll also digest your food a lot better. Get a good night's rest. A good night's rest is something very easy to get right now. Aim for anywhere between 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. It's going to help you recover better. You might be feeling sore from your workout. Sleep a little bit more, you'll feel a lot better the next day.